Okay, shall I start the session or we'll wait for some more time?
No, Lalita, you can start the session.
Okay, so hi everyone. Are you all ready to learn SQL?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, that's good. But before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Lalita and I'm here to train you on SQL. And I'm working as a database developer. So do you people have any idea about SQL? You people learned before?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay then. So before going to learn SQL, you need to learn first what is data and what is database. Okay. So anybody know what is data? It's a general information. So if anybody know means tell me.
Ma'am, collection of information.
Huh?
Collection
Piece
of
of information.
Yes, you are right. So data. And next, we need to know the information about database. So data is nothing but a collection of distinct small unit of information. Okay. Small unit of information. That means it can be anything, like it consists of alphabets. Okay.
And
And
screen share.
screen share. Okay. I forgot it. Thanks for reminding me. So is it visible now?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to learn about first what is data and what is database. Okay. So you people told me something that data is what?
Collection of information.
Yeah, collection of information. So it consists of alphabets, numbers, and like anything, text. Okay. And you can also take about images, JPGs and all. Okay. So what is database? Anybody?
Collection of data.
Collection of data is not a database. Okay.
Organized collection of a data.
Yes, of course, collection of data, but it is something else. You need to know the meaning of it. Okay.
For easy
So-
to access or manage.
Yeah, that is right. So first thing, we can store the data in a piece of paper or else in a computer memory. Okay. So I mean in electronic memory. So coming to the database, a database is an organized collection of data. That means, you know, organized collection of data. What is that? Let me give you an example. Okay. So if you have a box here, okay, it consists of, okay, clothes, okay, and shoes. And we can take some more like anything, accessories. Okay, and makeup kit. Okay, so in this box, if you keep everything like clothes, shoes, accessories, and makeup, everything in this box, and if you're trying to fetch it, like if you want shoe, so if you're trying to fetch it, how much time will it take? It will take some time. Okay, because everything is messed up. So if you don't find anything, you will get mad also, right? So you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So if you make it everything in a box, and if you're trying to fetch up, it will be little bit difficult to get it. So that's why we need to make it as in an organized manner. So you can fetch everything easily. Like there is a box here and there is another box and another box. So if you keep here clothes, okay, in this, and in this box, if you keep here shoes, and in this makeup kit. Okay, so if you want shoes to get it, so will you go to the wardrobe to get the shoes? Huh? Or you go to the shoe rack? Which one you prefer?
Sure. Yeah.
Yes.
Shoe rack.
You go to the shoe rack because you know where to keep the shoes and the clothes also. If you want to get the clothes, you go to the wardrobe and get the clothes. So that's how we manage everything in a database. Like we need to organize in a manner. And next, so we get the data, we have data, and we have database. Okay. So what to do now? So which format we use to store the data in a database?
In the form of row and column.
Yes.
Tabular form,
In the form of?
rows and columns.
Yes, rows and columns. So if you want to listen something like music, so you go to your playlist in your smartphone. So there you see a list of songs, right? In an organized way, like you see some songs. Or if you have a Spotify, you go to the melody songs will be there and the latest songs. So that is all organized. So that is also called database. Or if you go to any website, like if you want to buy something, clothes, everything. So there is also, you use database only. So there will be a cart to keep your clothes, everything. So we are using database. Okay. So the next, what is SQL? Anybody know the definition of SQL?
Structured query language.
Query language.
Yes, database is nothing but structured query language. So, okay, let me keep a new note. Don't save. So first, data. Data is nothing but what? What is,
Collection of information.
huh?
Raw information.
Collection of information.
Yes, you're right.
Collection of
Collection of information. Okay. And next, what is database?
Where data is organized manner. Where data is stored in organized manner.
Database is nothing but organized collection of data. Okay.
hello.
So before going to learn SQL, you need to know about RDBMS. You know RDBMS?
Yes, ma'am.
Relational
Relational
database
management
Relational
system.
management
Yeah,
system.
that means what?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, fine. That's good. So RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. So in database, what we store? Data. Data, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So if you have a table here, okay. So we store the data in a table format. So if you have a data related to college, okay. So, and in a college, who will be there? Students, right? Students will be there. And the next. So student has a connection with departments, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you write here? Departments. And next.
Roll number.
Yeah. And student contact. Yeah. And roll numbers, student names, and all these attributes are contained in the students. Okay. And the student address. Okay. So where he is located and all those stuff is there in the student contact. Okay. Departments. And the information about the student, that is marks and all, will be stored in another table. So you need to know the types of relations. So in RDBMS, there are different types of relations like one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Okay. So here college is related with students. Okay. So without students, no college will run, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes, ma'am.
students is connected with the departments. Yes, because some students will be in CSE, ECE, civil, mechanical, triple E, like that. And students have their contacts and students have their marks. So these are relations like one-to-one. This is what, which relation it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Which relation it is? One-to-one.
1-to-1.
Yes,
1-to-1.
because it connected one-to-one. Call is connected with students, but here student is connected with many tables, like student connected with department, student connected with contacts, marks. So this is which relation?
1-to-many.
1-to-many.
Yes, you are right. One-to-many. So if you go through like that, there will be some more tables, like it will connected with many tables. Okay. So these many tables will connect to some more tables. So you need to remember these three types of relation, like one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. So why I'm telling about all these relations? Because RDBMS, that means Relational Database Management System, consists of relations between tables to tables. Okay. So all modern databases. So there are different databases. You know that? Can you tell me some database names?
Oracle, MongoDB,
Oracle, MongoDB.
Server Management System.
SQL.
Yes. Yeah,
SQL, PLSQL,
SQL, MS SQL, Oracle, MySQL,
MySQL.
Yes. So these are all support RDBMS. Okay. That means these all databases will have the relationship between tables to tables. Okay. So here we are dealing with tables. So RDBMS contains tables and table contains data. So how to create all those tables? Like we need to create table, we need to create database, we need to create tables, we need to insert data, we need to fetch data and manage data. How we all going to do this? Using what? Using
Query.
Queries or
Query.
comments.
yes, using SQL, structured query language. Okay. So SQL is the language of relational database. Okay. So SQL stands for what? Structured query
Structured
language.
query language.
Yeah. So we can use SQL to access the database and fetch the data from the database and for the maintenance. Okay. So we are using which database is MySQL. So you people all have MySQL?
No.
No, ma'am.
No one have that MySQL?
No one.
Oh shit. Okay. Can you please download it today and will you be ready for tomorrow?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Sure.
Sure, ma'am, definitely.
Yeah, download it because SQL is very important. You need to focus on it. And even if you go to the Java developer or UI developer, it will be very useful because you need to write the minimum queries. Okay. You need to know the minimum select queries. You need to fetch the data, right?
Ma'am, provide us link.
Huh? Link.
Please provide us link.
You
Yes,
want link? Okay, I will send you. Okay. Can anyone share the screen? So I will make it download so you can follow the step by step how to download and all. And you should connect to the Wi-Fi.
Ma'am, are you talking about MySQL Workbench?
Yeah, MySQL Workbench. You have it?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so you download it by yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Using
then everyone open the Google and type MySQL installer. Okay. So there you can see the downloaded, like you can see the versions, and you should download the MySQL version is 8.0.36. Okay, then after the session, I will share you the link. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will share you the link. So everyone, please download it tomorrow. Then we can do the queries and all. Okay. So, okay. Then now let me tell you the types of categories in SQL. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me.
While installing, do we need to make any configurations?
Yeah, you need to make it. Actually, is downloading is okay, but while installing, it will ask you some configurations and also you need to keep it, or else, okay.
Actually, we are not aware about that.
Yeah, that's why. So if anyone is wants to download it now, means you can share your screen, then I will download it for you and everyone will follow it.
Just I shared my screen, ma'am, but I am not getting. I am getting the that host disabled participant screen. Just give me the permission.
Okay, then I will stop my screen sharing. So will you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine then. Stop share. Okay, then you share your screen.
Yes. Still, I am getting same notification.
ma'am, actually you will have to make him host. After that, he can share the screen.
Okay, I stopped it actually.
No, you have to give him access.
Excuse
me, guys.
Screen
How to
sharing
give
access.
access? Okay, sorry. What's his name?
Yeah, Afzal Hussain.
Afzal Hussain. I didn't see your name here. Do you have any participants? Okay, Afzal Hussain.
AFZAL.
Okay. I'm giving you the permission. Can anybody tell me how to give the permission?
Lalita, Naveen here.
Yes, Naveen.
You can just go to the participant list.
Yeah, I was there. So where to?
You can see Afzal's name, and beside that there will be 3 dots.
Yes.
You can click on that and you can make him as co-host.
Co-host. Okay. Make co-host, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You can share your screen now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then go to Google. Okay, MySQL installer, type it. Download MySQL installer. Okay, here you can see the versions, right? 8.0.3 to 437.3 million. Yes, you can download it.
Which
The
one?
second one?
This one or this
Second one.
Okay.
Will it be compatible for 64-bit system also?
64-bit. You're using laptop, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you can. Yeah. The below, just start my download. Click that.
Ma'am, which version?
8.0.32 is the version of MySQL.
Right, screen is very small.
Oh, how much time it's showing? 50 minutes, 40 minutes. You are connected to Wi-Fi, right? Or
Yes,
mobile data?
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. It's slow, yeah.
My download is Ma'am, actually, Imran sir told there when he was starting advanced Java, how to install MySQL Workbench.
You mean what? You asking?
Ma'am, I'm just telling. When advanced Java class was started, in the first class, Imran sir told how to install MySQL Workbench.
Okay.
In first class of JDBC, ma'am. Yes.
So you have already a video is there for MySQL installation.
Yes, ma'am. There is a first lecture of advanced Java.
Okay. So you have Workbench.
I
then?
think everybody knows who has attended advanced Java class.
Yeah. I'm asking about Workbench. Do you have it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I have.
You have Workbench, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you can help some other people who doesn't have the MySQL Workbench.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
I
by
will share
connecting
the-
to any desk and all, so they can also download it. So for tomorrow, everyone will be ready.
I will share the lectures link, ma'am, there. And anyone can ask Sidhu sir also. I will share the lectures of that first advanced Java class.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Afzal, it will take
Yeah.
much time, I guess.
I think Afzal is also from FS19. If he
Yeah.
had attended advanced Java class, he would have been installed it.
No, no, no. Actually, I am from testing batch now, so I don't have an advanced class, advanced Java
Okay,
class.
okay.
Only core
Okay,
Java.
then I will share the link in this SQL group. Okay.
Okay, okay, that is easy for us.
Okay, okay, no issue.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, then Afzal, you
Yes,
download
ma'am.
it, and for the installation, if you have any doubts, means you can ask me or anybody in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So for tomorrow, everyone should have MySQL Workbench. Okay. And if you want any link, means I will share it.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
My download is complete. Can you show me in my laptop?
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can share your screen. What's your name?
Assis. Only Assis IS.
Acha. Okay, then Afzal, you can stop your screen share. Then we'll give you a
Yes.
chance to him.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
There is a one doubt.
Yes, you can ask me.
Ma'am, actually, I was downloaded last 3 months back. I tried to again and again the 2 times, but it not doesn't not installed in my school in your device.
Okay, you have installed your Workbench in your system?
Ma'am, one time installed, again I can go through the some crashes is happened, again uninstall for the MySQL. So can we able to reinstall the MySQL?
Yeah, you can install it. You try
But
to install it, it will, or if you have downloaded file means,
okay,
yeah, someone shared the link to download the MySQL. So try it with that. Okay.
okay. Is there any? I think once the MySQL installed again, it doesn't work. It means.
Yeah. What you have to do is, what's your name?
Veerana Kuda.
Veerana. Okay. You go to the C drive, and then in that program files will be there. In that program files, MySQL, it will be there. So
Okay.
you have to remove it from there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then try to download it again. And you people, when you are keeping the root password, you should remember it. Otherwise, it won't open. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. While creating, it will ask the root password. So you people remember it. Otherwise, it won't open. So
Okay.
keep that password somewhere.
Okay. Thank you.
So,
Ma'am,
okay,
you have to
everybody.
give him access.
Yeah, what's your name?
Assis.
Ashish. Ashish Khatarkar. Is that you?
No, ma'am. Only Assis ASIS.
Ma'am, Pratik here.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I have shared the link in the group. It will take at least 10 to 20 minutes to briefly, and you can install easily.
Yeah, it will take some
If
time
anybody
to
is facing
download it.
any issue. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ashish, I make you as co-host, so you can now share your screen.
No, ma'am.
You can.
You haven't give the host access.
I gave you, I guess.
Access to the wrong person.
Who is it? I can't hear you.
Ma'am, you will give access to
Pratik.
Pratik. Okay. So you have downloaded it, Asis?
Yes, ma'am. Now shared.
Oh, you're downloading it or okay, okay.
Ma'am,
No, no,
I
downloaded
also-
downloaded
Okay,
already.
fine.
Ma'am, I also saw YouTube videos and installed from there. It's a 10-minute procedure, ma'am. Ma'am, I have already shared the link in the group.
Yeah, someone shared the screen to download it. So if no one who haven't had the MySQL workbench, then download it from the link. Okay, and get it ready for tomorrow. Or if you have any doubt in the installation means, I will tell you tomorrow. Otherwise, if someone share the screen. So I will show it here.
Yes, ma'am. You can show it right now, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, sharing my screen. Is it not visible?
Yeah,
visible
it's
access. You
visible.
can go to download and then show, ma'am.
Yeah,
download
where is the
link.
Yes,
Yeah.
downloaded
it's the
file?
first
Okay.
Yeah.
page after installation.
No. The downloaded file.
Where is
Go
that
to
downloaded
go
file?
to your download. Go to Google Chrome to download. Yes, that one.
Open it that.
Yes, now
Open
tell.
that.
Yes, open.
Yes. Double click it.
Open.
Yes.
Or else click that show in folder. Is it not opening?
Ma'am, this file, no?
Which file?
Hello, Ashish.
Your video was stuck.
Open करना आशीष.
Hello.
Yes.
Ashish, go to download in your file manager or in this PC. Go to download, then
I am in
open the file.
download folder only.
Not here. I told you
Click
in your PC.
click show in
You
folder.
can double click on that. It will open. You can.
Yeah, go to the file explorer and go to the downloads.
Ma'am, I am in file explorer only in downloads folder.
Okay, Akshay.
Sorry to interrupt here. Ashish, I think you have shared only one single screen.
Oh yeah, maybe that's why.
You have to share the complete screen and then check.
You have to share it. Yes, it's showing only one screen. View options.
How to do that?
Stop the screen sharing. Again, click on screen sharing so that you will get the option there. Complete screen, I mean full screen or what. Click on full screen.
Okay.
Now is
we
it
can see
visible?
it. Yes. Okay, it's asking the steps, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's yes, asking which one to choose.
Okay,
Default.
full. Click on full, yeah. Full. And then next. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, did you click that MySQL for Visual Studio 1.2 something is there?
Yes. No, it's not clickable.
Okay. So click that once. Yeah, check,
Yes.
check. Here check is there, right? The requirement is still failing. Okay. Okay, then click on OK. Or else go to next. Not been satisfied. Why with missing will not be restored? Do you want to continue? No. Click no. Back. Go to back.
Choose developer default, first option.
Choose the developer default. Okay, then next. Check once.
It's saying that Visual Studio version 15, 17 or 19 must be installed. I think
Which version you installed?
8.0.31 I think.
Of what? 8.0.32.
8.0.32 you installed. But still it's not working.
Yes.
huh? Okay. Test. Choose a setup type. Something is there. Go back once. Please select the type, setup type that suits you. Custom.
Yes, ma'am. Which one to choose?
Should be installed. Or else select custom. Custom. The last one. Yes. Next. Click that, enable the select features to customize product. Something is there na in that. Enable the select features.
Yes, selected.
Next. 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 Do you want to continue? Yes, click on yes then. Next. Click on next. Execute. Execute. Click on execute. Okay, then click next. Okay, the default port 3306 MySQL. Click next. Legacy. Next. Okay, root password. Give your root password. Give it as root at 123. All small. It's okay. Click next. Okay, next. Next. Execute. Okay, finish it. Let it finish. Management user root password.
Click on finish.
Yeah, finish it. Yeah, click it. And the next. So what is the password here? Root at 123, right?
Yes.
Check. Oh, next. Click on next. Execute. Finish. Still getting it. Finish. Okay, so open it. MySQL Workbench. Click the root. Local instance. We have one connection, MySQL connection, that is local instance MySQL 80. So give the password there. Fine. So you have installed MySQL Workbench. So everyone install it, MySQL Workbench tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I have a doubt.
Yes, you can tell me.
So our entire session will be on MySQL Workbench only, not on SQL, right?
Yeah, MySQL Workbench, what you do here, you write queries only. You have to create the tables here. You have to manage data, access data. Everything is based on SQL. Okay. So why you have downloaded SQL, I mean Workbench, just to write the queries in it. It's just a database. Okay. So you have MySQL Workbench here. Database is ready. So you have to create the tables, data in it.
So, ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Yeah, you can.
Ma'am, I have prepared a project in the college session, college academic session. So it is based on SQL Server Management System. So I have experience of working in SSMS. It's 1 year. So can I write query there? So is there any differences between MySQL query or
SQL
SQL
Server.
Server? Yeah.
Yes, of course. I mean, when it comes to the syntax and all, MySQL have different syntax and Oracle have different, MS SQL and SQL Server have different syntaxes. Okay.
Okay.
So
I have
and
to
it's a
download
slight
MySQL.
variation. It's not much difficulty. So if you know the SQL Server syntax means it's almost same, but little bit difference.
Yes, ma'am. I find it pretty more similar.
Yeah,
but,
almost same.
Yeah. So can I go with SQL Server Management System because it will be easier for me only.
Yeah,
If there is any differences,
you
I can.
already know the SQL Server syntaxes, right?
Right, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can learn here the same format.
Okay,
So
okay.
you learn MySQL here. So based on that, you know how to write the query here in the
Yes,
MySQL.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
you can also implement there in the SQL Server. Okay.
yes, yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am.
Okay. Then here administration is there, and the left side there is management, instance, and performance is there. You people see that? Administrator.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Go to schemas beside. Yeah. Here, Sakila, SYS, and Bold. These are all already there. We didn't create it. This is predefined. Okay. So tomorrow, what we are going to do is we will create a database. Okay. So we are going to create a database and we are going to create a tables and the data in it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So is it enough for today or shall I tell one more concept?
It's up to you,
It
ma'am.
is okay.
You are comfortable.
It's purely depends upon your wish only, ma'am.
Okay, then fine. Can you stop the screen share now, Asis?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
And what about the regular class timings and schedules?
I didn't hear you. Can you repeat it?
What about the regular class timings and schedules? Will it be
Regular-
daily at evening 7 o'clock, or is there any changing in the timing?
Yeah, actually SQL classes are possible. If you are okay with morning means, that means 7 to 8:30. Is that okay? Or else
Yes, ma'am.
evening 7 to 8:30.
No, ma'am.
Evening, ma'am.
Testing batch is going on at that time.
Okay. Testing.
Yeah.
So evening 7 to 8:30, is that okay then?
Morning, ma'am.
Evening is okay.
Evening, okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning.
Evening is okay, ma'am.
Okay, evening is okay means okay.
Yes, ma'am. Evening is okay.
Okay. So have you people
Also-
ever searched for a job in a website? I
No,
mean,
ma'am,
in
I can't
Naukri
hear
and
you.
all. You people search for a job, right? Because we all need a job.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then you might wonder that mostly you see jobs on SQL, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it's the most demand skill among all the jobs in data. So you can become SQL developer to database administrators if you know the SQL, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, of course it will be in high demand because every industry or a corporate company must have a data. So they have a data. So they must have a database, MySQL, SQL and all. So everyone should learn SQL. Even if you become, I already told you that Java developer or UI developer, you must have to write a query, okay? So please focus on this and it will be interesting. I'm sure that. Okay. And every weekend I'll give you assignments. You should all complete it. And that will be easy.
Okay, ma'am. Please give, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll give you assignments and the notes also I'll give you. And next I will tell you the important questions in it. So tomorrow we are going to focus on DDL commands, that is data definition language. We are going to create a tables data in it and we're going to fetch it. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
later on we'll go to the SQL commands and all. So please focus on this. It will be interesting, I'm sure. And please, everyone should attend the classes, okay?
Sure,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what is the approximate duration of this course?
It will be 3 weeks, okay? 3 weeks is okay for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, we don't know. You have to say that now.
Huh?
Actually, we don't know that. Only you have to say that. Now.
Yeah, it will be 3 weeks because we are going to cover everything. What they are going to ask in interview. So I need to cover all those topics and you have to write everything, right? So you should be clear in these concepts. So
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
it will take 3 weeks. So if there is anything extra means it will be 4th week. So almost 3 to 4 weeks it will be done SQL. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay,
you
ma'am.
should
We have
focus
classes
on it.
only on weekdays, no?
Only on weekdays. If you are interested in weekends means that will be okay for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, okay.
Okay then. Okay, so for the next 2 sessions, you please ready, guys. Please don't try to avoid it. You should all join to the class and listen to it, and you should all respond to my classes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be
Yeah,
interesting.
ma'am. We will.
So you people told me that you are not aware of SQL, so learn it. It will be useful to you. Okay, everyone, please respond.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then
Okay.
what you have to do is who is not
Yes,
having.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. So who is not having SQL, please download it. Okay, you should all get ready for tomorrow because you all have to do the practice on this. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. See you tomorrow then. Thanks for attending class.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Having a great day.
Do you have any queries?
Very, very
No, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So old age people are coming.
Sir.